Today, we're diving into the CKLau 4-port HDMI KVM switch, a powerhouse in the realm of dual-monitor peripheral sharing. This device boasts the ability to seamlessly integrate 4 HDMI computers or laptops into one cohesive system, sharing a single set of keyboard and mouse, audio, microphone, USB peripheral device, and 2 monitors. One of the standout features of this KVM switch is its support for dual monitors, offering a range of resolutions including 4K at 60 Hz, ensuring crisp and clear visuals for your work or entertainment setup. The flexibility in switching methods is impressive, whether it's through hotkey combinations, mouse clicks, manual button switching, or the included wired remote push button. Certified as an HDMI adapter for over a decade, CKLau ensures excellent image processing and transmission capacity, guaranteeing smooth and steady output signals. Moreover, its compatibility extends to various devices and setups, supporting wireless and wired keyboards and mice, touchscreens, Apple keyboards with customizable hotkeys, and even entering BIOS interfaces directly. Another notable feature is the drive-free operation for multiple operating systems, including Windows, Linux, Mac, Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, and Raspbian. Whether you're looking to extend, duplicate, or splice displays, check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.